Good day, everyone. My name is Astrid Salamanlangit, and I'm going to present my topic. My topic is reduced price. So, what is reduced price? Reduced price refers to the practice of lowering the cost of goods or services to make them more affordable for consumers. Example: e-commerce platform sales. Platforms Platforms like Shopee and Lazada frequently had major sales where prices are reduced through flash sales, vouchers, and cashback offers. Free shipping and discount on minimum purchases also contribute to reduced prices. Another example is restaurant and fast food promotion. Popular chains like KFC, Jollibee, and McDonald's of, often offer value meals, combo deals, and promotional price reduction for limited periods. The third example is telecommunication plans. Providers like Globe, Smart offer promos bundles with reduced rates for calls, texts, and mobile data. This can be done for various reasons, including attracting more customers, increasing market competitiveness, economic adjustment, and regulatory measures. So, attracting more customers, business may reduce price to increase sales, especially during promotion, sales event, or to clear excess inventory. Increasing market competitiveness, companies often reduce price to compete with other businesses offering similar products or services. Economic adjustment, governments or businesses may reduce price to help consumers cope with economic challenges such as inflation or supply shortage. Regulatory measures. Price reduction can be mandated by the government through price ceilings or subsidies, especially for essential goods like rice, fuel, or medicine. So, there are the different types of reduced price: penetration pricing, skimming pricing, volume discount, bundle pricing, price differentiation by customer segment. Penetration pricing is often used by new business to quickly gain market share by setting low prices. Skimming pricing useful for high-end products where companies can initially change a premium price before lowering it to attract more customers. Example: pricing skimming meaning like example is mobile phone. Company sells product at a higher price during launch and then gradually lowers to the prices. The first Second is volume discount encourages customer to buy larger quantities by offering a lower price per unit. Example, in store, naghatag sila og sales nga 50% para sa volume discount lang ana nga store. Bundle pricing creates value for customers by combining multiple products into a package deal at discounted price. Example, family bundle sa Jollibee or burger bundles sales. Pricing differentiation by customer segment tailors pricing based on factors like customers' loyalty, demographics, or purchasing power. Example, 20% for discount for senior citizen, PWD, and students. And that's all. Thank you.